NCP officials is keep
Okay, I've got
telling
an
the
update.
court that this court
Hold on
cannot-
right now. I've got an update. The update is that the first accused, including Aryan Khan, will be taken for a medical checkup is the update coming in. And after this, they are going to be taken to the Arthur Road jail. So they've left from the NCB office, which happens to be around the Fort area south of Mumbai. They're on the JJ flyover. They will be taken to the JJ hospital, after which they will be taken to the Arthur Road jail. And that's the same route that they are going to be following, because our cavalcade is also there. Aryan Khan is being taken for a medical test at the moment. After this, he's going to be taken to the Arthur Road jail. Now, the big question, Saurabh, here is there is a hearing going on in court where either an interim bail can be given, or a bail can be given, or perhaps the court decides not to do any of the two, in which case Aryan Khan then stays in Arthur Road jail.
Well, absolutely, Chaiti. See, therefore, Satish Mani Shinde, the advocate of Aryan Khan, is keeping his all doors open, and therefore yesterday they did not file one bail plea, but they filed two bail plea. That's one for the interim bail and second is for the full bail. Because NCB officials were claiming that they cannot get bail from this particular court. So what Satish Mani Shinde clearly said that the court can at least give an interim bail. Now, what is interim bail, Chaiti? 7 to 8 days of interim bail. That time, Aryan Khan has to come to the NCB office. He has to sign. Whenever NCB officials call him, he has to appear for the questioning. And in the meantime, Satish Mani Shinde, advocate of Aryan Khan, has to file a full bail plea in the Sessions Court. Now, what happens here for the custody is, yesterday NCB officials said that till the time the bail hearing does not get over, we will keep the custody of Aryan Khan and others in the NCB office itself. Now, in the morning, their RT-PCR report came negative. Now, whenever the accused are taken from one particular place to another, they have to be taken to the court, because if there is any ill treatment, if there is any physical torture or something, that has to be done through the medical examination. Now, Aryan Khan will be is now been taken to the JJ hospital. There will be a proper doctor and also a police personnel who will be present over there. They will be asking Aryan Khan, is there any injury mark? Was there any torture to you? Was there any ill treatment to you? So in that way, a proper medical will be done. Now, the NCB officials are keeping their things ready. Once there is a bail hearing completed, if Aryan Khan and others' bail plea is rejected, immediately what NCB is do is, from directly to JJ hospital, from NCB custody, they will be moving him to the Arthur Road jail. There all the preparations and the documents are already ready. But let me tell you, what Satish Mani Shinde is also looking forward is to continuously pace up the hearing, because if the bail plea is rejected from this particular court, he will be immediately, his team is already ready, who will be filing an urgent bail hearing at Sessions Court. So it's a very technical thing and a very less time, which is,
very interestingly you mentioned this, Saurabh. This is putting the right